Ever wonder how sysadmins manage massive networks? Or how bug bounty hunters find their targets? It's all about the right commands and the right tools. On this channel, we dive deep into the power of PowerShell, focusing on how it's used to find vulnerabilities, secure systems, and automate your workflow. Welcome to the channel. Let's get started. In our last video, you mastered the verb-noun structure of Cmdlets, like get process and get service. But what if I told you there's a way to get the same power without all the typing? What if you're a Linux or macOS user and miss your favorite commands? That's where aliases come in. Today, we're going to dive into PowerShell's secret world of shortcuts, learn how to use them, create our own, and make our command line life a whole lot easier. Let's get started. PowerShell's verb-noun Cmdlets are fantastic for readability, but let's be honest, they can be a bit long to type repeatedly. Imagine if you're used to commands like ls from Linux or dir from the old Windows command prompt. You can't just type those in PowerShell, right? Well, actually, you can. PowerShell includes many of these familiar shortcuts, but the real power is knowing what they really are and how to create your own. We'll start by discovering the existing aliases and then move on to creating some that will save you a ton of time. The primary tool for working with aliases is the Get-Alias Cmdlet. Typing this without any parameters will show you a comprehensive list of all the aliases on your system. You'll see a two-column table. The name column is the alias, the shortcut you can type. The definition column is the true Cmdlet or command that the alias points to. Notice that old command prompt favorite dir? This definition is getChildItem. And ls? Also getChildItem. This means if you type dir or ls, you're actually executing the powerful getChildItem Cmdlet. Knowing this is crucial for troubleshooting and understanding what's really happening under the hood. You're not limited to the predefined aliases. You can create your own using the Set-Alias Cmdlet. Let's say we want a quick shortcut for getItem. Now, if I type I, it will execute getItem. This is great for your current session, but if you close the PowerShell window and open a new one, this alias will be gone. So how do we make it permanent? For an alias to be permanent, you need to save it in your PowerShell profile. Think of your profile as a special script that runs every single time you open a new PowerShell session. This special variable, $profile, holds the file path to your profile. Let's open it in Notepad. Now, inside this file, you can add any commands you want to run automatically. Let's add a new alias, perhaps for Get-Alias itself using Set-Alias. Save and close the file. Your alias is now a permanent part of your PowerShell environment. What if you add a new alias to your profile but don't want to close and reopen your console? You can reload the profile script in your current session using the .sourcing operator. It's a single dot followed by a space. And just like that, the new aliases are loaded. The .sourcing operator runs the script in your current session's memory, so all the new aliases are instantly available. This is a huge time saver when you're customizing your environment. Aliases are simple shortcuts for Cmdlets and other commands. Use Get-Alias to see the full list of existing aliases and what they point to. For permanent aliases, store them in your PowerShell $profile script, which runs every time you open PowerShell. And the ultimate pro tip, reload your profile with $profile without having to close and reopen the window. Mastering aliases is a small step that makes a huge difference in your day-to-day work, helping you be faster and more efficient in the console. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to start building your own PowerShell shortcuts, please hit that like button. What custom aliases would you create for yourself? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next video where we'll explore how to get and use objects with the pipeline. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.